Hello, and welcome to OpenAI Studio, the world's first OpenAI operating system, giving you instant access to OpenAI's latest, current, and future AI models, all from one powerful dashboard. Let's dive right in. Right here, you'll find OpenAI's complete lineup of frontier models. Whether you want GPT 5.6 Sol, GPT 5.6 Terra, GPT 5.6 Luna, or any other model, it's all available right here. Need to generate images? No problem. Simply switch to the image models and choose from models like GPT Image 2, GPT Image 1.5, and many more. You'll also find OpenAI's real-time and audio models, open-weight models, embedding models, and a growing collection of specialized models, including GPT 5.3 Codex, GPT 5.2, GPT 5.2 Pro, GPT 4.1, and many others. We also support ChatGPT models like ChatGPT Latest and much more. Finding the model you need couldn't be easier. Simply type the model name into the search box. For example, let's search for GPT Image 2. And there it is. Let's try another one. I'll search for GPT 5.6 Terra. There we go. Simply select it and you're ready to start. Not sure which model to use? No worries. Just switch on auto mode and OpenAI Studio will intelligently select the best OpenAI model for your task. Pretty cool. Now let's explore one of the most powerful features inside OpenAI Studio, our specialized AI agents. Instead of paying monthly for different AI tools, OpenAI Studio gives you purpose-built AI agents designed for specific tasks. We have the social media post AI agent, copy and email AI agent, HD images and graphics AI agent, code AI agent, web chat AI agent, proofreading AI agent, file and data insights AI agent, music AI agent, photorealistic avatar AI agent, voiceover and text-to-speech AI agent, word transcription AI agent, deep maths AI agent, and the cinematic video AI agent. Simply choose the AI agent that matches what you want to accomplish. Let's start with the social media post AI agent. Just enter your prompt here, or if you prefer, simply use the voice command. Need more control? Open the settings panel. Here you can personalize everything from your writing tone and style to your target audience and even your preferred word limit. Once you're happy with your settings, simply click Apply Settings. Next, choose your preferred OpenAI model. I'm going with this one. Now press Enter, and in just a few moments, your content is ready. There it is. From here, you can instantly copy it, download it, convert it into images, export it as a Word document, or even share it directly. Simple, fast, and incredibly powerful. Now let's jump into another AI agent, the cinematic video AI agent. Just enter your prompt, or use the voice command. Customize your preferences from the settings panel. Click Apply Settings, then choose your preferred video model. For this demo, I'm selecting Sora 2 Pro. Now hit Enter. Give it a few moments, and your cinematic video is ready. Let's check it out. Wow, that looks fantastic. Download it, share it, or continue refining it until it's exactly the way you want. Let's keep going. Next up is the Code AI agent. Simply enter your prompt, open the settings panel, choose your programming language, select your preferred framework, whether it's React, Vue, Angular, or something else, choose your coding style, apply your settings, then select the OpenAI model you want to use. For this example, I'm choosing GPT 5.3 Codex. Now hit Enter. And just like that, your code is generated. Pretty amazing. And that's only scratching the surface. With OpenAI Studio, you can generate music, create stunning images, write professional emails, build applications, generate production-ready code, proofread documents, create realistic voiceovers, transcribe audio, analyze files and data, produce cinematic videos, and so much more. But here's what makes OpenAI Studio truly different. You're not limited to just one AI model. You get access to OpenAI's latest, current, and future AI models, all from one centralized dashboard. No switching between different platforms, no jumping from tool to tool, no managing multiple subscriptions. Just one login, one dashboard, one complete OpenAI experience. So this is exactly what you need right now. And with OpenAI Studio, you don't even need to pay any monthly fees. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you inside. Bye.